Forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
Taking a peek out at the El PASEO cam, usually one of our more active cameras. Great street level view, but it's pretty quiet there this morning. There have been a few folks out walking. There's a lot of dog walkers, and this is a good time of day to do it when the temperatures are still a little more reasonable. We are going to heat up very quickly today. Yesterday we had a good bit of cloud cover throughout most of the day. That is beginning to thin out. As it does so, we're going to start to heat up a little bit more, although you will find some clouds kind of clinging right along the coastal areas as you move a little bit north of LA. What we expect are numbers that get close to 110 today. Right now, not particularly cool out there this morning. We're already at 90 in Desert Hot Springs. In the upper 80s in La Quinta, we're at 84 Palm Springs, 85 in Indio, and only spot in the 70s on the valley floor is Thermal. Yucca Valley also at 77. So it's warm out there this morning. Anywhere from 1 to 7 degrees, 1 to 8 degrees warmer, as a matter of fact. So already we're seeing that warming trend kick it in. And again, coupled with more sunshine, it's really going to make things a little less comfortable today. We've got light breezes right now. Those winds will start to pick up as we move into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Dew points running in the 30s and 40s, relatively dry air. They'll continue to stay in these 30s and 40s. They're not drastically low, which was good news as the firefighters are working on that fire in Palm Springs. We saw partly cloudy skies, but today watch what happens. Those clouds kick on out of here. There's still a little bit of coastal marine layer that moves in on Friday, so that's one of the things, one of the mechanisms that will help to cool us off heading into the weekend. Again, though, 110 today and likely really close to that again tomorrow as we move through the afternoon. So a couple of really exceptionally hot days. Now, as you look ahead on our Comfort Air 7-day forecast, we've got those 2 days where the excessive heat warning remains in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. But we start to see some breezy conditions both tomorrow night and on into Friday. And that knocks our temperatures down very nicely. We're going to be around 98 on Friday, but look at these numbers. Below average temperatures, both Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So really comfortable stuff. The average for the date is 98 degrees. And we're going to be running a good bit below that as we move on into the beginning of, well, through the weekend into the beginning of next week. So all of that looks good. Just take the usual precautions. Stay safe out there, stay hydrated, and be careful, especially with the pets out on the concrete and the pavement today as those numbers climb up to that 110 mark. Angela and Jeff.
You know, the good